Hey Slush, what are you doing? Oh, hey Mommy. I was just watching the rain fall. Oh. Yeah, it just started raining. I'm a little scared because, thunder, but as long as there's no thunder, I do like to sit by the window and watch the rain fall. Watching the rain fall is very peaceful to me. As long as there's no thunder. True, but remember, if there ever is any thunder, and there is likely going to be some, remember that you're inside when you're perfectly safe. Uh-huh, I know. You really like watching the rain fall, don't you, Slush? Mm-hmm.